Hi everyone, my name is Ankita. Welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to review Glossier's Generation G Lipsticks. I got them in two colors. They just came in the mail today, so I'm really excited to try them on and share with you how they look. Before we begin, please feel free to hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date with all my uploads. If you'd like to see me review these two lipsticks, then just keep watching. So I ordered two shades. The packaging is just in this light pale pink box, and it says Glossier in white. Oh, this is cute. So this is what it looks like. This is the lipstick, and it's their Generation G. This one's the shade Leo. This is more of like a brown shade, and I really wanted a nude shade that would match well with my skin. Another great thing that I love about these lipsticks is that they're both cruelty-free and vegan, so I really wanted to try them. So on their website, they describe this Generation G line as these diffused matte texture lipsticks, and they're supposed to adapt to everyone's lip color a little differently, so they look more natural on you. So yeah, I wanted to try that out and see how it looked. I think this looks really cute. So this is the color. It's like a cocoa dark brown color, and I'm really excited to see how it looks on my skin tone. I'll swatch it on my hand just so you could see how it looks on my skin. So it's like a cocoa brown, and it's pretty sheer on my skin, so let's see how it looks on my lips. Okay, so I definitely have to add like a lot of layers for the pigment to really show up. So for one, this feels super soft and smooth. Like, it feels really nice. It's very moisturizing. It feels like I'm applying a chapstick. It doesn't feel dry at all. If you want the color to really show up, you do have to apply a couple of layers. Like the first 1 to 2 layers, the color didn't really show up. If you want this as like a tinted chapstick, it could work that way. But if you also want it to be more of a lipstick and more bold, if you apply a couple of layers, it'll look more matte and more bold, and it'll show up better. But I'm really impressed. I like this a lot. One, this color just looks really nice with my skin tone because this is like the exact shade of nude I've wanted. Like, I've been looking for a nice nude for brown skin, and I think this is such a nice nude color. This was just super brown girl friendly, so I love it. I think this lipstick is so good for someone who's just starting out with makeup and is like scared to get into lipsticks and intimidated by lipsticks. I think this would be a really good choice for young girls and even older. I've never tried a lipstick like this before. This gets my approval. Okay, so now on to the next lipstick. This is the color Zip. This is supposed to be like a red orangey color, so kind of like a scarlet. So first I'm going to swatch it on my hand. You can see that it's sheer and it kind of blends in with your skin tone. So let's see how it looks on my lips. So once again, if you want more pigment, you have to apply it a couple times. So this is a lot brighter than I thought it would be. I thought it would be a little bit more dim, but that's okay. I still really like it. This color matches perfectly with like the red on my shirt. I didn't even plan that. I was looking for a scarlet red color because I don't have a color like that in my lipstick collection. I just have more like deeper reds. This is bright, but I actually really like it. This is also brown girl friendly. I think both of these shades are really nice for fall. That's why I picked it, because I wanted a few new lipsticks to wear in the fall. So yeah, definitely found them. Because of the sheer formula, it's really blending in with my own lip color. So I do think that these lipsticks will work on any skin tone because they're so buildable and blendable with your skin color and your lip color. So I think this will look good on every skin tone. I definitely recommend both of these products. I think they're very pretty colors. There's more colors on the website. They have about 6 or 7 shades. These are obviously just 2 of them. I think I like the brown one more. This was just my favorite color ever. I also really like that they're both vegan. That's always a plus. This is an A+ in my books. So that's the end of this quick review. I hope this helped if you're deciding between these colors, or if you're deciding to even buy this lipstick in the first place. If you like Glossier and or are curious about their products, I also have a review on their Perfecting Skin Tint and their Stretch Concealer. I'll link that video in the description. I'm actually wearing their skin tint right now. I also have a 10% referral link. If you shop through the link, you'll get 10% off on your purchase. But if you enjoyed this review, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!